What are you doing?
What?
Are you filming?
I don't know, I think so. What are you doing? Taking a long time.
Fuck you. Do I need something?
What?
Do I need something?
I don't know.
Oh, fuck's sake. I'm playing in a movie right now. I can bring my Game Boy and you can play Pokemon all night.
Don't show Brendan Sweck that, because he will be playing it non-stop.
Pokemon?
Yes.
Yeah? Should I take it?
He'll take it.
Should I take it with me?
Take it. Game Boy. Check.
Oh, yeah.
I think you got clothes? Pajamas? Yeah.
Got that.
Probably shouldn't.
I smell too much.
I'm just recording you right now. I don't really know why, but I am.
We should make a movie of it. But I could off like tonight.
Like actually act out a movie?
Yeah.
Can we like play parts? We'll write a script. Tom will do
Yeah.
that. He'll love to.
Yeah. Fuck, Can you wash my clothes?
Alright, say bye.